Hello motorhome enthusiasts! My name is Frank. Today I'll tell you more about a great service from Carado, the test drive at a Carado dealer. Would you like to personally experience and test our motorhomes and camper vans? Then you are in the right place. Simply visit our website at carado.com. There you will find Test Drive in the top bar under Service. Now select a retailer from the list. After you have submitted the form, the selected dealer will contact you to arrange a personal test drive with you. You can get to know all aspects of our motorhomes, from the driving experience to the equipment and the latest features. Don't wait any longer and secure your test drive now. Find out firsthand why Carado motorhomes are the right choice for you. So, let's go! Visit us at www.carado.com and arrange your test drive at your local Carado retailer. Have fun with the test drive. See you soon on the road with your new Carado motorhome.